Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant. I want to give a shout out to the Bearded Woodworker. I got your shirt today and it looks great. Thanks. The Bearded Woodworker is my brother-in-law Gary, and he's the one who's inspired me to do some YouTube channels, or to create a YouTube channel for myself. And if it's not apparent, I kind of stole a variation of his name. I'm the Bearded Giant, he's the Bearded Woodworker. And anyway, you should go check out his channel. There's a link in on my page for him, and I'll probably put one in the description. Anyway, thanks. I'm gonna go for a quick ride, and I'll talk to you in a second. Alright, so I'm just gonna run over and get some gas. But what I was saying is, Gary, the Bearded Woodworker, he's the one who inspired me to start my channel. I did a couple of videos with him on his channel, just, you know, from being related, and it was a lot of fun. And this last Christmas we were talking, and he was telling me about how his channel's doing, and the fun he's having, how he's doing, and the fun he's having. And so I thought I'd give it a go. And I just, the first thing I kind of did is dumped a bunch of videos I had from my phone on my YouTube channel. There's some gun videos and a motorcycle thing, and just to throw up some content. I wonder how this sounds, the difference between having my visor open and closed. Anyway, so I threw up a handful of videos, maybe 10 or a dozen, and I had some views. You know, not a lot, but some views, and a couple, you know, a couple hundred views. And they weren't even made to be on YouTube. They were just random cell phone videos that I had on my phone. And so I started making some videos with my phone, and I kind of had some fun and had a little traction with it, but it got weird using my phone. So I bought a GoPro and started making some more videos, and made some welding videos, and now I'm adding some moto vlogging to it. So yeah, should be fun. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick video. I want to give a shout out to Gary and his new t-shirt that he has, and put some gas in the bike, and then go for a little ride. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, I'm gonna ride those couple divots there. Hopefully I don't crash. It's my first off-road. Alright, that was weird. I was a little too afraid. I was too afraid to stand up for that. So I don't know why I'm laughing so much, but it's funny. Oh well. All right. So just throwing a quick vlog today. Once again, shout out to Gary over at the Bearded Woodworker. I got his t-shirt for his channel. It's awesome. Makes me want to have a t-shirt now. Maybe closer to this summer I'll do a t-shirt, or hell, I'm pretty impulsive. Maybe I'll do it before then. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, hit the little thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Make a comment, do whatever. If you want to give me some pointers on how to ride some off-road at the local gas station, feel free to do that too. All right, peace out.